Oh, and Spencer, obsessed with the washing machine.
Not anymore. Oh, I think I put too much soap.
Yeah, I think you did. He loves the spinning of the washing machine.
Well, at least it's extra clean. Oh.
Sorry, squad. Whoa, just use 2 fingers to support himself up. And he goes to the laundry basket. Maybe not. Laundry basket is... Oi!
Sorry.
Laundry basket is boring. The washing machine is more interesting. Ain't it, Spongy? Well, too bad you can watch it in Grandma's house. Grandma's washing machine doesn't work this way. Not bad. That sound startled him. He's like, because his hand was on the thing.
Oh.
You're okay, Spongy, Spongy.